Big tech made record profits, then boom, thousands of employees got the axe. What's going on? Today, we're looking at the cruel math behind big tech layoffs, where boardroom decisions can cost people their livelihoods, all for the sake of a few decimal points on a balance sheet. Over the last few years, tech giants have gone on hiring sprees, snapping up talent in everything from software engineering to data science. But when economic headwinds hit, these same companies announce sweeping layoffs, sometimes in the tens of thousands. For many, it seems sudden, heartless, and downright confusing. Let's find out why these layoffs happen and how the math justifies them, at least on paper. Big tech companies often forecast future growth based on optimistic scenarios, but when the market slows down, like it did post-pandemic or during an economic slump, stock prices take a hit and executives look for quick ways to boost investor confidence. Laying off thousands of workers can save millions in operating costs, which on the surface makes the company's financials look leaner and more efficient. It's that cold, calculated equation, revenue minus costs equals profit. And in big tech's eyes, employees are often labeled as costs. Wall Street rewards companies that show they're willing to tighten belts. In many cases, announcing layoffs leads to a short-term bump in share prices. Investors interpret it as a sign the company is serious about maintaining profitability. It's a grim cycle: cut jobs, boost the stock, appease shareholders. Of course, this approach rarely considers the long-term consequences, like losing institutional knowledge or damaging employee morale. But in the short term, the math works in favor of layoffs. For every cost-saving measure, there's a person on the other side, someone with bills, a family, and dreams. The cruel math behind big tech layoffs rarely accounts for the mental and financial toll on employees who poured years of their lives into these companies. These are real people, not just numbers on a spreadsheet.